I was thinking Paws is going to do better compared to other Telegram projects that we've seen that listed this very year 2025. If you come to BitGet, discover that Paws is now on Premarket. If you click right here on Premarket trading, not this one is for features. So if you click right here, it will take you to this very page and you see Paws in progress. So if we click on it, you discover that Paws is now trading at 0.307. And if you go down a little bit on that buy tab, you see the buy orders right now, okay? And if you go up a little bit and put it on the sell tab, let's look at the sell tab. You see sell orders right at this very point. And one interesting thing about this very price is that this is very, very poor. Because let's say, for example, for those that were expecting Pulse to start with 0.201 as the listing price and is going to do up to 0.01. Do you think that is possible with this kind of pre-market price? Because normally, as we know, when a project have this kind of pre-market, don't expect the real price when it land on major exchanges. In the case of Paris on the 18th of this very month, that is few days from now, to do much better than the pre-market price. Okay, so the pre-market price give us a kind of sentiment that this is what this very token is going to likely do when it get that official listing. So I am not expecting anything bigger than this. Okay, I told you guys that my price prediction remains 0.30305, and if price move upward, the highest I am expecting is 0.205, and this my highest is also on the high side, okay, because there is that high possibility that the market will not even get to this 0.005. Now, somebody may be thinking, I'm bringing that the project, like I am talking the project down. No, that's not true. I am not talking the project down. I am only telling you what I am seeing, okay, from fundamentals and what we are seeing right now on this very pre-market, because it's now on pre-market. I'm not the one controlling pre-market, okay? So if you look at it, Pulse is not doing like it should do if we should see the market hit 0.01, as some people are thinking. As we all know, if the price of Pulse right now is 0.3074, what do you think the listing price is going to be? Because 80% to 90% of the time, we discover that when the price of a token is on pre-market, the listing price is going to be below the pre-market price. That has always been, except before the listing on the 18th, then we see Pulse at 0.001. That is before listing, and then this very price right here climbed up to 0.201. Then I'll be now expecting a 0.005 to be a possibility for this very token, because what we've seen in the past is that they are going to list below the pre-market price. Okay, listing below the pre-market price is 80 to 90% chance they're going to do that, and this is not very good for airdroppers. Personally, I was expecting something good from this very airdrop, not like something very big, like a $200, for example, because I have 78,000 of this very token, and if you multiply that by 0.002, okay, this is $156. And if you multiply it by my highest, which is 0.205, this is $390, okay, which is something reasonable. It's not that bad. And this is what we are facing right now with the Pulse token on Bybit pre-market. Now, however, price can do more better. Who knows? Maybe they have their strategy and some stuff like that. But from what we've seen in the past, I don't think Pulse is going to do as expected. This is a very devastating stuff, owing to the fact that Telegram mini app projects have been doing poorly in recent time. I am not expecting anything big from the Pulse token. That is my personal take on this very token right now. Nothing big is going to come out of it. It can do maybe reasonably well, but not as big as people are expecting. So that means we should not be focusing on Telegram airdrop anymore, okay? Because the momentum have gone down after Hamster Combat. And what we should be doing right now is to focus on deepins and testnet airdrop, which is very important and still paying till now. So let's focus on that. And what that also means is that the ones we are doing, let's just wrap it up. For example, the Bloom token, which I believe is going to do well because Bloom is one of the Telegram mini app that have real utility. Every other ones have no real utility. Once the project is done, they will just move on with their lives. Paws token is now on Bybit Premarket with 0.3074 as the pre-market price. We hope that things move upward as we wait for the listing on the 18th of this month of March 2025. Consider supporting this channel by leaving a like for this video, subscribe if you have not, and turn on the bell notification for more crypto videos like this one. Also check the channel for other crypto content. Join our Telegram channel, the link in the description and also in the pinned comment. It is a free channel. Thanks for your support.